The financial world is changing. A new asset class is gaining traction: cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies like Bitcoin are transforming how we think about money. This essay is your guide to understanding this exciting, evolving space. Crypto trading is buying and selling these digital assets. It's like traditional stock trading but with a digital twist. The market is open 24/7, offering flexibility and potential for high returns. This accessibility is attracting millions globally. However, this new frontier can seem daunting for newcomers. The technology is complex, the jargon is unfamiliar, and the market is volatile. But don't worry, we'll demystify crypto trading together. This essay will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting world. We'll explore recent trends, delve into Bitcoin, and provide practical advice for beginner traders. Let's embark on this journey together. The crypto market is dynamic, constantly evolving. Understanding current trends is crucial for successful trading. Recently, the market cap reached nearly $2.66 trillion, reflecting its growing popularity. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, saw a surge in 2024, exceeding $100,000. This surge was fueled by factors like the launch of Bitcoin ETFs from giants like BlackRock and Fidelity. However, the market also experienced pullbacks, reminding us of its volatility. Factors like regulatory changes and global events can influence prices. Therefore, staying informed is key. Beyond Bitcoin, the crypto ecosystem is brimming with innovation. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing traditional financial services. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are transforming digital ownership. The integration of artificial intelligence is another exciting trend. AI tokens and projects are gaining momentum, promising to further disrupt various industries. Understanding these trends is paramount for making informed trading decisions. As the market matures, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, deserves special attention. Created in 2009, it remains the most influential cryptocurrency. Its journey has been marked by significant milestones. Bitcoin's price has experienced dramatic swings, driven by events like Tesla's investment and the Coinbase IPO. For example, it reached an all-time high of over $73,000 in March 2024. One key characteristic of Bitcoin is its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity contributes to its value proposition as a store of value, similar to gold. However, Bitcoin has faced criticism for its energy consumption. The mining process, which secures the network, requires significant electricity. This has led to calls for more sustainable solutions. Despite the criticism, Bitcoin remains a dominant force in the crypto market. Its historical significance, limited supply, and growing adoption continue to attract investors worldwide. Section 4. Beyond Bitcoin, exploring the diverse crypto ecosystem. While Bitcoin paved the way, thousands of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins now exist. Each offers unique features and potential investment opportunities. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is a prime example. It enables smart contracts and powers a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps. Stablecoins, pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar, offer stability in the volatile crypto market. They are commonly used for trading and as a hedge against volatility. The rise of AI tokens is another noteworthy trend. These tokens power AI-focused projects, leveraging blockchain technology to enhance AI development and accessibility. Navigating this diverse ecosystem requires careful research and due diligence. Understanding the purpose, technology, and team behind each project is essential before investing. Section 5. Starting smart, practical advice for beginner traders. Entering the world of crypto trading can feel overwhelming, but a strategic approach can mitigate risks and enhance your chances of success. Here's some practical advice for beginners. Firstly, knowledge is power. Educate yourself about different cryptocurrencies, trading strategies, and market analysis. Numerous online resources, courses, and communities can guide you. Secondly, start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and losses are possible, especially for beginners. Thirdly, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for platforms with strong security measures, a user-friendly interface, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Fourthly, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Lastly, be patient and think long-term. The crypto market is still in its early stages. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price fluctuations. Section 6. The future of crypto: opportunities, challenges, and resources. The future of crypto is brimming with potential. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize finance, empower individuals, and create a more inclusive financial system. However, challenges remain. Regulatory uncertainty, security concerns, and the environmental impact of some cryptocurrencies are issues that need to be addressed. Despite these challenges, the long-term outlook for crypto remains optimistic. As adoption grows and technology matures, cryptocurrencies are poised to play an increasingly important role in the global economy. For further learning, explore resources like CoinShares, Statista, and reputable crypto news websites. Stay informed, stay curious, and embrace the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions.